Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Oh boy, we haven't seen these guys in a minute. Good old DHL. So here we go. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. Everything's gonna be alright. Let's see what's inside here. It made it from a far, far country. There we go. The box. I opened the box. There we go. Oh boy, battery's gonna die soon. I'm trying to make this a fast video for you guys. It'll start picking back up pretty soon, so I'll be on more regularly. Had a small little break, finally. There we go. What are you? Mystery package. Alright, that does it. Let's see what this is. PowerStander Light. RGB Power Standard. This is for the Logitech. I forgot what series mouse, but I'll leave it in the description. You guys can check it out. Brand new, just hit the market. And I'll probably tell them in the manual. Guys down a little bit. Got the manual right here. Oh boy. I had to pull out the translator. It is for the Logitech 304, 403. There's a bunch of them right there that this is programmed for. So we get the little guy right here. Take him out of the package. That down at the bottom, there's a little thing. Make sure it goes in place. Oh, it's magnet. Bam. There's the USB side. Got the USB cord. We'll hop into my computer because I want to see the RGB lights. See what this does. Alright, let's see. Dust-proof cover. Oh, okay. It's just a cover to cover up. So you need to charge the mouse. Gotta stick it in there. Oop. There we go. Got that. So it probably lights up around here. All the way around. Like round, round, round. PowerStander. Oh boy. Yeah. EZKEYS.com hub. Probably plug it in my computer. And there's the other models. G4, 304, 403, Pro Wireless, Pro X SurperLight, Hero, G900, G903. So, okay, we're going to hop over to the room. Guys, here we go with the power stand for the Logitech. This thing is sweet. I just had it pulled up on the website. This thing can do it all, guys. Brand new power stand, brand new EZY HUB. They'll have it once this thing gets released. click clack for the perfect match. So we got mine right there, and then we got it there. You'll hear the click clack when it's ready to charge. Hear it. I had it once. There we go. Oops. Like that. But you can see the RGBs changing right in there. There we go. We got it. Now it's charging it. So really cool, guys. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Check them out. Order one now. Order a couple for yourselves. Yeah, really cool. EZY, I do believe. Now, see? And zoom in. Main performance. But yeah, they got more. Once you click on the link, it shows pretty much everything what I just showed. 30-degree ergonomic angle design, 30 degrees. Click clack for perfect match. You heard the click clack. And then once everything launches, they'll have a brand new PowerStander, brand new EZY HUB. You can control the just lighting of the effects of your RGB atmosphere light. So really cool. Gotta love this technology. So right there, there's the little guy. And like I said, you get the little dust cover, and it's covered up when you're done, and you're good to go. So YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.